Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Crunchyroll promo code that helped me save a lot of money on my Crunchyroll premium subscription, and in some cases, even get access for free. If you're looking for the latest Crunchyroll promo codes, discounts, or free trials, make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any steps. How to get the Crunchyroll promo code. The process is very simple and only takes a minute. First, grab your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Next, go to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type in Crunchyroll. Click on the Crunchyroll result, then scroll down to see the available Crunchyroll promo codes and offers. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your promo code. Keep in mind that these promo codes are limited and in high demand, so you'll need to unlock your personal Crunchyroll code to make sure no one else uses it before you do. If you're ready to save money on Crunchyroll Premium, check out the pinned comment below. I've explained exactly where and how you can get your Crunchyroll promo code step by step.